Hello out there. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use Tracker hosted on rollapp.com. With this there's nothing to download, which is nice, but it means we have to make a few preparations before we can start using this app. So to start, you go to your startup menu and you hit search. You're going to type snipping tool. This tool allows you to take screenshots of graphs we make in Tracker without having to save anything or actually make purchases. So we'll right click, pin to taskbar, and there it is. Next you're going to need a Gmail account. You need a Gmail account so you can make an email account with them, and then you're going to go to drive.google.com. You'll log in with your email information, and you're going to upload the video you downloaded from the hub into the drive. So you're going to go to New, File Upload, find the ball toss video you downloaded from the hub. It's called ball toss or something, and once you find the file, click Open, and it'll be inside the drive. I already have mine downloaded here. Now with the snipping tool and the video in Google Drive, we can go to the Tracker application. So on the website, now we go to Launch Online. You are a new user. Click I am a new user. And you can create a Rollapp account, or you can sign in with Google. I'm going to create an account. Okay, and the new email address I made was... I had to make a new email address for this. I called this Tracker App Physics. That's right. Tracker App Physics at gmail.com. Make a new password, sign up. And there we go. Tracker launches. Now I want to open this video, and it'll tell me cloud storage is not connected. So I click this folder to open it, cloud storage not connected. So I need to sync this app with my Google Drive. So I go to connect, and this screen pops up, this window, and click your Google Drive and connect this in, and click connect. You need to have them send you verification email. Teachers out there, I found that when I used my HoustonISD.org email address, I never got the email, even though I checked my spam folders. So use your Gmail account if you can. Send verification email. So then I go and I check my email account. It's right here, and there it is. Please confirm your email. Confirm email address. So same thing, Tracker Physics, Tracker App Physics, I think, at gmail.com, and then I type in my password. And now my storage is connected. All good, so I can close this. Great. Now I go back to my Tracker page here. Should look like this, and again I go to File, Open, Connected Storage, make sure this is good, connect my Google Drive, and now I can choose an account, and I'm going to go with my Houston ISD account, and then you're going to click Allow. Great, all connected, nice and good. Go back to Tracker, open this. Now I should be able to see my Google Drive. So I can open the Google Drive, and then I need to find the video. I have ball toss. I think I want to do the ball toss video. Okay. And then open. Should be a .mov. Click Zuggle. And then this should load my video in Tracker. Yay, looks great. First thing we do is we set up our coordinate system. Once the video has loaded, you click these purple bars. I can grab the center of these bars, and I want to position them to the start of this video. This is a video of a tennis ball, and it's being tossed into this trash can. If I happen to rotate my axis, which can be done by grabbing this, I can rotate it back. Angle from the horizontal will be 0, so you can just change it to 0. Oops, not 10, 0. There. Now I click the purple axes again to hide them. So this is my origin, the starting position of the ball. Next I have to set the scale. This video is nice because there's already this scale. So to set the scale, I grab this right here. Show, hide, or create calibration tools. I click it, new, calibration stick. This drops down. I want to grab it, rotate it around. Just like that. And I follow the length of these yellow bars. And this should be actually positive 90 degrees from the x-axis, so I can do like that. This should be 0 degrees again. And then my calibration stick, this should be positive 90 degrees. Angle from x-axis. Alright, let me hide these bars, bring them back up. Alright. I'll just rotate like this. Okay. I don't know why that didn't work. If you can't reset it to positive 90 degrees, just flip the calibration stick over. There we go. And now this is 62 centimeters, not 100 centimeters. So I'm going to go to 0.62 meters because this measures in meters. Enter. There we go. Now, I can move this calibration stick out of the way. The length is already calibrated now. And I can start tracking the motion of this ball. So to do this, I hit Create, Point Mass, select Point Mass. Now this screen pops up, and now I have a graph that can start being generated. Move this out of the way. Let's see. Whoops. Alright, that's good enough. Okay. With this selected, I'm holding down Shift, and I click. I try to click the center of the ball. Shift, click. Shift, click. And as I do this, you can see this is making a plot of my X position versus time. Shift, click. The frame jumps forward automatically. Shift, click. Try to stay in the center. If you don't, it's not a big deal. Shift, click. Shift click. All the way down until the ball is near the trash can. There we go. That's good enough. Now, I can analyze this graph, this data. To do that, I can right-click, and I go to Analyze. And a new screen pops up. Very nice. So now I get a big line, a big graph, and I have my data points. I click Analyze again. Curve fits. It gives me an equation for my line. I always make sure my auto fit is clicked, and I have a slope value of 1.73, and almost the intercept is almost 0. Now to make a picture of this graph, I can use my snipping tool, and I go to New, and I can drag this, and I can hit Control Paste into any Word document. So let's say I have a Word document. I'm just going to open something. me see, not that. Secrets. Let me see, I'll go to this document. And with the snipping tool, I can just go Control V to paste a picture from my snipping tool into whatever Word document. Quickly going back to my tracker app right here and pull this up. So let's say I don't want to plot X versus T. Let's say I want to plot Y versus T. I can click the vertical axis and I can change to the Y position component. And then I click again, or I right click, Analyze, go back to this window, and see now I have all these graphs everywhere. I can select the column I don't want to see, I right click the column, and I can go to Cut Columns. And bam, now it's just Y versus T. You'll see that this line doesn't fit, and this is a parabolic graph, so I can change the fit name to Parabola, Auto Fit, and there we go. I generate a new graph, and I have a new equation for my line. And again, I can make a copy of the graph using my snipping tool. Well, that's all for now. I hope you found this video easy to use, and keep studying.